Today is Wednesday, December 28th, 2022. Last night I read the phrase called line of business, and also with our in-house accounting system called SAP, the number one global accounting software. It says LOB, line of business. Whenever we have LOB a column encountered, we just put in like internet, phone, cloud, big data, all sorts of the products and services that we sell to customers. So to me, line of business means the products and services that we generate, we produce for our customers. But line of business can mean different meanings with different industries. So I would like to read this one article that I pulled from the internet to understand what the line of business is, and also to practice English. I'm Korean, so my mother tongue is Korean. I need to find as many opportunities as I can to practice my English, to hone in on my speaking capability. So usually I just read one article each day with a focus on pronunciation, and also finding out good phrases, words, expressions, cliches, idioms that I should remember. Most of them I remember all right already, but I usually try to remind myself of those good, tasty, delicious jewels of expressions. So here we go. By the way, I've never read this article, just I found out that this could be a good article to read. This one is from Tech Target. Definition, line of business. What is a line of business, LOB? Line of business is a general term that describes the related product or services a business or manufacturer offers. Exactly, that's what I meant. A company that manufactures a solid-state disk drives, for example, might claim its LOB is data storage. An LOB serves a particular business need or a particular customer transaction. In insurance, for example, an LOB may be used to designate a statutory set of insurance policies and not a specific business unit. Designate a statutory set of insurance policies. Other definitions for line of business. An LOB application refers to one of the sets of critical computer applications that are vital to running an enterprise. LOB applications are usually large programs that contain a number of integrated capabilities and tie into databases and database management systems. Tie into, that's a good phrase. Tie into, connected, related to closely, tie into, okay? Alternatively, in some large enterprise cultures, the term line of business or LOB is used as a synonym for corporate division. Finally, LOB applications on mobile computers are sometimes used to process transactions on site with a customer to minimize the use of paper. LOB applications on mobile computers. An example would be mobile route accounting. Collaboration priorities and drivers, LOBs. Information technology focuses on the business goals of achieving ROI and preserving security and regulatory requirements by reducing the overall cost of applications by eliminating the use of duplicate services across various LOBs, for example, optimizing network resources through a centralized model that gives IT visibility and control across the entire network to ensure an efficient use of bandwidth, providing a consistent user experience while providing all employees with the same tools and interfaces. Protecting privacy and data security much harder for IT when LOB or individual workers use cloud-based consumer-grade applications. Cloud-based consumer-grade applications. Consumer-grade applications, military-grade applications, or leader-grade application. Consumer-grade application. Line of business LOBs focus on a department's internal needs, often without the input of IT, rather than overall organizational needs, including particular LOB requirements or resourcing offerings that cater to or are optimized for particular needs without costly IT optimization. Supporting specific business objectives driven by individual teams' success metrics that reinforces silo mentality IT is trying to move away from. Individual team success metrics, another good term. Individual teams' success metrics. Let me write this down. Success metrics. Success metrics. Indices. KPIs. When collaboration tools are needed right away, in many cases they are obtained without seeking input from IT or the cost constraints of its budgets. Another good term. Cost constraints of its budgets. 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 Examples of line of businesses. The following is a set of examples of LOBs for various industries that both serve consumer needs and contribute to business strategy and growth. Consumer banking. Consumer banking organizations often have a number of LOBs to serve consumers' financial needs. A few examples of product lines include the following: credit cards, line of credit or loan program, mortgages, and corporate small business and personal bank accounts. Financial services and brokerages. Typically, the LOBs for financial services brokerages cater to higher net worth individuals or businesses and aim to help them grow their wealth by investing in various assets that produce additional income. Examples include the following: mergers and acquisitions or partnerships, real estate investments, and wealth management. Here, cater to higher net worth individuals. Cater to higher net worth individuals. Cater to higher net worth individuals. Net worth individuals. Property and casualty insurance companies. Insurance companies often have multiple LOBs, depending on which types of insurance they are authorized to sell. Insurance empowers owners to protect their assets financially from loss, damage, or theft. Financial examples include the following: property and casualty insurance, that is, homeowners, car, boat, renters, etc. Property and casualty insurance. Property and casualty insurance, life insurance, health insurance, and commercial business insurance. consumer grade, commercial business insurance, health insurance, life insurance, property and casualty insurance. Continue reading about LOB, line of business. BPM in cloud evolves to suit line of business. Line of business overtaking IT department as spenders on tech. New types of partners spark channel alliance opportunities. Selling to the LOB manager reseller, beware. So LOB can be a line of business, line of products and services, and also basically the corporate division, and also a big purpose, mission of the each particular department or division. Well, that's it. Thanks for listening. Take care. Bye-bye.